Hello, today I'm going to share a brief tutorial on how we can use the web app Stapplet to create quantitative data displays. So because it's a web-based app, the first step is to open a web browser and navigate to www.stapplet.com. When the Stapplet page comes up, you can see it's really just a list of different topics under different headers, so you do need to have some idea of what your plan is before you go to Stapplet. Like I said, I want to make some displays using quantitative data, so I'm going to choose one quantitative variable single group. Once this page comes up, I do have a couple of options, as you can see with this drop-down menu, where I can input either raw data, mean and standard deviation, or 5-number summary. I'm going to enter raw data so I can have a choice for displays later. So to enter my raw data, I'm going to go ahead and give the variable name, which is number of hours slept. And then to enter my data, I can either just hit a space bar or I can use a comma between my data points. So I'm going to continue entering my data and then we'll see what we can do with it. Alright, so now I've entered all of my raw data, so the next step is to click on the button here that says Begin Analysis. Now you can see several things showed up on the bottom of the screen. The first thing is graph distribution. Now automatically it gives me a dot plot of my data. However, once again, I do see a drop-down menu, so if you click it, you can see our other options. I can change it to a histogram. If I want to change my width, I can do that with these. If I want to change it from frequency to relative frequency on the y-axis, I can also do that. I have another choice, which is box plot. So you see with my box plot, give me my box and whisker. And then finally, the last choice is a stem plot. It does give me the option to split stems, so I'll just say yes. Since most of my data was concentrated around single digits, it's not going to make a huge difference, but particularly with your type of data, it may be helpful for you to do that. In addition to the graph distributions, you can scroll down and see they do give you the summary statistics for your raw data. And if you want to, you can click a button to export that data to your computer. And as you scroll down, there's other sort of inference procedures and such that we can choose. But today we were more just interested in entering data and figuring out how to make different graphical displays with our data. I hope this tutorial was useful in showing you how easy and quick it is to use Stapplet to create these different data displays. Good luck!